Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share DIY jewelry hacks. So for my first hack is all about bangles. So it's been really very disappointing when your beautiful bangles you hope to wear won't fit on you, right? So for that I'm having a hack. For that hack you need a plastic bag. Just wear this plastic bag and soften it into flat surface and then slide the bangle which you want to wear and you're done. So instead of plastic cover you may use any moisturizers or any soap to remove it and removing and wearing it, but it may damage your jewelry. So try this hack when you're in a hurry mood also. You can easily wear your bangle. Coming to the removing part, you can similarly remove this bangle through the same plastic bag. So try this hack, you absolutely love this. I usually follow this hack. For my next hack, hack number 2, take any heavy earrings. I have chosen this medium size earrings. Now I'm going to convert these earrings into tikka. For that you need any of your favorite earrings and a black color thread like this. Now I'm going to push this earring hook slightly inside and going to knot this thread. You can tie 1 or 2 knots. So tightly knot it and your tikka is ready. Now place this on your hair and secure the ends of this tikka using tic tac pins. And your tikka is ready. Similarly, you can style your tikka according to your choice with your earrings. Hack number 3. Are you bored of using the same lockets on the chains? So follow this hack. I usually style my chains by placing my finger rings as lockets. Just you need to insert these finger rings into chain and that's it. Your new locket is ready. Whenever you are bored of your jewelry, try this one. So similarly I do follow this and change my lockets with different fingerings like this. So see how pretty this locket, this finger ring looks as a locket. I hope this hack may be useful for you. And yeah, this is the third finger ring. So similarly I usually try all these finger rings whenever I'm bored of the same locket. For my next hack, that is hack number 4, when we buy fashion jewelry, they look very shiny and good, but after some period of time, the color of your jewelry may change, so it loses its shine and the color of your jewelry may change. So for that, you need clear nail polish. Just paint your jewelry with this nail polish, so that the shine of your jewelry stays for longer period of time and it doesn't change the color of your jewelry. So similarly, paint this nail polish on both sides of your jewelry. Once it is dried, then store it in a plastic wrap. So this is all about fourth hack, and the final hack is convert your old jewelry and give it a new look by just painting this earrings. For that, I'm going to use Fevicryl paints. If you want, you can even use any nail polishes to paint this jewelry. So I have chosen white and pink color and going to paint these earrings. So I'm going to paint it and give a little shade to it. So similarly, paint both of your earrings. And you're done. How beautiful they are. I hope all these hacks are useful for you, and if you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.